Production entries are fastest and accurate in simpliRP. Earlier in sales order number 24, in project costing sheet we saw materials were issued. There you can also see the FG item of that sales order and its quantity. Now we assume production is done and we make the entries. Please go to Production Issue, Fast Processing. Click Production Receipt. You can find that MIV number against which the material issues were done. You can also click that MIV and see detail. Now select that MIV. In the pop-up window against the one of the items, enter the FG item code and produced quantity. Click Update. That's it. simpliRP will quickly create the MRV. You can go to Sales Order Project Costing Sheet and can see produced item quantity is already updated. You can also check the stock. The stock has been added automatically for the produced item. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your production department.